Hello Prime Coders, welcome back to Prime Coding channel. My name is Aditya Mishra and in today's video I'm gonna talk about 10 days roadmap. Yes, you would say Aditya it is very near, but yes, it is gonna happen in the phases. The people who will not receive admit date, admit card, but this is 10 days is just a runway. You can accelerate as per your need, right? So in this video I'm gonna talk about the syllabus pointers in each category, daily plan like each day how you should prioritize, what you should prepare. I know this time is a very high time, people will be in an unstable stage that not able to decide what to study and how to study now, and mock and revision materials will let you know in this video. So if you are new to this channel, subscribe it because we are coming with these kind of videos a lot in upcoming days. So let's begin our very first thing, which is TCS NQT online assessment pattern. Aditya, I know about the pattern, but it is better to have glance before telling about your strategy, right? So numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. Advanced section, which is important now. Why? Because no ninja profile, as we have already told or already discussed about, right? This time you need to solve advanced quants and reasoning to get digital or prime profile, which is kind of an rule every time, right? You need to secure at least something, or you need to pass the cutoff of advanced quants and reasoning section, coding section as well, to get digital and prime profile. So yes, syllabus snapshot, that would be like, I will just traverse it very quickly. That yes, in numerical ability we have basic arithmetic, percentage, average, ratio, profit, loss. Mind my words, few question look difficult, few question looks very easy, and few question is like like you directly mark tick on that question, like that would be very straightforward one, right? And few question would be very hard. You need to be very precisely decide what to question you attempt in how much time, right? So yes, moderate topic, time and work, speed, distance, probability, higher concepts, permutation, combination, series, propagation. Now another would be reasoning and logical skills, coding, decoding, blood relations, seating, visual, number, letters, and series. Take off screenshots of these, ask LLM model what kind of questions can be, like you can also be a self-proclaimed, right? Verbal, you have reading comprehension, error spotting, sentence completion, synonyms, antonyms, sentence rearrangement, para jumbles, and much more, right? So if we take in a glance, we have coding. In coding, most of the time they usually ask arrays, strings, basic math problem, common pattern, which is hashing, sliding window, most of the time repeated as a second question, sometimes DP as well, two pointers, basic recursion, and input handling. See, if they're asking some hard questions from graph DP and you are good with your fundamentals and algorithms, high chances you're gonna solve it. They're not demanding you to solve, to write full backtracking, etc., where you need to like reduce the complexity, space complexity. No, they are only expecting you to write at least a set of recursive statements that can solve that question. Simple. Okay. So yes, common mistakes to avoid, which is spending too much time on one question. I got to know many things, Aditya. I was able to solve that question. I have given 2, 4, 5 minutes extra. See, if you give 2, 4, 5 minutes extra, you can solve another 2, 3 questions, which is just a tick one, or which is very easy to solve, which is might be a percentage or averages questions, right? So you need to be very precise, like where and how I need to spend time. Read once, read twice. If you're able to, in a minute, solve it. Not in a minute, go ahead. Right? Because here you need to accumulate all of the questions, like question, I would say numbers. Let's say if you are able to mark 100, like out of, would say 60, 90 questions, if you're able to mark as much question as you can, you will get shortlisted, right? So you need to attain that number. If you are not, there are very less chances. So how you can do it, instead of spending much time on a single question which you think you can solve, but not because of some issues, because of some time constraint, pressure, nervousness, drop it, go ahead. It might be next question would be easy and you can solve it, might be next question would be easy. So read once, go ahead. Just a JEE means mantra that that time we have figured our tuned our body accordingly, right? So under the prepare, like ignoring basic topics, Basic topics, people do say, oh, this percentage looks very easy, I won't study it. But averages look easy, I won't study it. I will go and start doing about some other cons and reasoning or advanced cons. No. See, if you are good with basics, try to make it more concrete, right? So that if any question comes from this topic, I will be the one to solve it. Not take it on your ego, take it with your confidence. Like if I am able to, I will. If I am not, I will skip. Under prepared for coding and output patterns, not checking PYQ questions, not enough practice and revision for formula. In my whole life, what I understood is studying, studying for knowledge is a another path, and cracking the test is another part. Here, to crack an examination or to ace an examination, you need to prepare, you need to give as many as you can mock tests, right? Or you need to solve questions, you need to revise what you have studied. Then only you will be able to ace any kind of examination. Studying is kind of a for loop, or I would say while loop without any base condition. If a guy want to study, it can study of his whole life, right? So yes, you need to figure out which path you want to take. Prepare in a way that you can ace the examination. Take as many previous year questions and solve it. With time or with number of questions you have solved, you will get an intuition what kind of TCS and QT, what TCS expect from aptitude, what is the pattern that they are continuously repeating, right? So yes, customize your 10-day strategy. Identify your strong area first. At my time, I used to focus on quants a lot because I know I can solve quants. Sometime in English, you might fumble here and there. So okay, fine with the English. It's not that hard, but yes, I do focus on quants. In that quants like percentage, average, walk and time, speed time, this type of things I focus a lot because I know I can solve this when questions come in my boundary. Other than that, I will skip and I will revisit afterwards. So, are you more comfortable, like a confident in aptitude, or are you more confident in coding? Coding, I never think about I'm confident or I'm low confident, because I know for the level that TCS or any service based or mid range startup or mid range companies do ask, or I would say all kind of companies which asking, I have a pretty good practice on DSA, I can solve it. So I don't need to focus more on coding when I was preparing, because I know the coding is a everyday task for me, right? So you need to prioritize. Okay, coding is the one which is important as well in NQT in advanced section, right? So if you start preparing for advanced aptitude, your basic like a foundational section would be easily clear because you are preparing for advanced, and as well as you're preparing for advanced coding question, your first coding question you eventually able to solve it, right? So if you are strong in aptitude, 2-3 days for arithmetic revision, full length aptitude mock. Everywhere you can see I have just added aptitude mock. You are the one, let us know in the comment section, or just write yes, we want. Yes, please share mock test, like this. I already uploaded in my top mate when people are like TCS and QT waves. You have updated or uploaded many mock tests. You can just go over my top mate. I have 100k plus bookings. People are trusting us because it's very pocket friendly. Instead of buying a 10 like nowadays, Dairy Milk is also cost around 20 rupees. But our mock test, our resources will cost you just rupees less than 10. So yes, sound very interesting because I am just willing with the numbers that yes, I know my followers will trust my resources, and with that trust, I can also pay the people who are building this, right? So they are also happy, we are also happy, everything is good because no one work for free, right? Then focus on coding, major time allocation, 5-6 days, array, strings, logic building, solve at least 20-30 coding questions, practice proper input output handling. See, I already created few of, not I have not continued that series a lot, but I have posted 2-3 aptitude videos where I have added some questions, and that questions were totally from the previous year. You can just check my playlist, or you can just write averages or aptitude by prime coding. You will definitely get those videos. Then I have, like, my channel name itself is prime coding. You can get all of the coding sheets, or in many more coding resources are available, right? If you are able to follow those coding, I can bet more than, like, I have post like created more than 2 3 sheets, and each sheet have more than 20 30 questions. So around 100 questions you definitely have, which is enough for your upcoming NQT examination. So because coding decides your digital and prime profile, which is mandatory. So yes, that's why you crack your aptitude by our resources where we are not there, but you will crack your interview where we will hold your hand. This is one of the slogan that I used to say in my mock sessions and the sessions where I mentor people. That trust our resources on interview, trust on prime coding will we will be proctoring your whole journey from us, right? So now, if you are strong in coding, 2 3 days array string pattern recursion sliding windows patterns. So these are the very important. If you are able to solve five questions from each topic, there are high chances that you will be able to solve your upcoming two coding question that are gonna get you in TCS NQT. 1 2 full coding mocks, aptitude reasoning, 5 to 6 days mastering, yes, profit loss, time work, probability, seating arrangement, and that. Yes, for mock test, if you want, Aditya, please upload more mock tests. I want latest mock test. Please upload it. Yes, I will. Just comment down below. Aditya, we want it. Aditya, please upload it. Aditya, I want this. Aditya, I want that. At least these words can go into my mind, and somehow from my busy schedule or from my team, I will start building some resources that is actually needed. It's very easy to write something. It might be an autocomplete in your phone keypad. Just write, I need it, please post mock test, or that, just write empty, just like mock test, anything. Just shoot a like button, because we are giving you everything for free on the channel, right? I'm not selling my 1000 to 1000 course over here. I'm just sitting over here helping you out. Somehow I can do it, as I'm doing my best to help you out every time. So because foundational cutoff is elimination happens first. So yes, for the PYQs, as I said, we have real coding question shift already solved. 25 questions, last minute prep, last minute sliding window question, last minute questions are available on the Prime Code. You just write TCS, Prime Coding TCS, Prime Coding TCS playlist, you will get those videos around, and you can start preparing it. For compiler and input issue, no use if you have studied 20 30 questions, 50 questions, because eventually you are able to take input by yourself. But here you need to take input based on the TCS. So yes, I have posted a video just back, like few days back. I've posted a video accordingly what kind of types of inputs that we have covered in this particular video. If you are not that too patient, you can directly go over this video and watch it, because you should be aware what kind of situation you're gonna get in your actual interview and how you're gonna able to ace that. If you're not able to take input, if you know recursion, you are of no use, right? So yes, if you need aptitude coding cheat sheet, let us know in the comment section. I already speak about. If you want anything mock test, which is most important here, please comment down below that, so that I know, yes, my viewers want mock test. We should push over mock test a lot. Then, as I told, my top mid is filled with rupees 10 materials. Why this is 189, Aditya? 189. Also, you get a dairy milk at 189 as well, I know. But yeah, here you have everything, all TCS material in a single place. That's why it costs around 189. But yes, you have alone products as well, which cost you rupees 10. So please go ahead and get it done. Get with you and start preparing. At least if you spend a penny on something, you will definitely mean it, and you will start preparing with those resources, right? So thanks for trusting Prime Coding till now. If you are watching, please consider subscribing, like this video, share with your friends. We are around 60k, aim to reach 100k in 2026. Please support us, and we will meet you with a great content soon.